coral reefs of Bonaire are more than just beautiful. They protect the coasts, support biodiversity and sustain life, culture and the local economy. But these reefs are under pressure from pollution, climate change and human activity on land that reaches far, far into the sea. Within the CARIB-FATE project, Deltares works closely with local partners to turn data into insight and insight into action. By combining monitoring, modeling and satellite data, we make pollution visible, where it comes from, how it spreads, and what it means for reefs and coastal waters. In March 2026, the CARIB-FATE team traveled to Bonaire. Not just to present solutions, but to listen, learn and ask the right questions. Because sustainable solutions begin with local knowledge and collaboration. Through workshops and field visits, we work with policymakers, scientists and local experts. Together we explore pollution risks, climate impacts and opportunities for reef restoration, thereby connecting scientific models with real-world conditions on the island. Our approach aims to connect land and sea, tracing pollution from its source on land through coastal waters and right into the ocean. This creates a clear, evidence-based understanding of where action can make the biggest difference. CARIB-FATE is building a digital decision support tool, helping policymakers explore solutions and understand their impact. Because healthy reefs are not a given. They are the result of informed choices and strong partnerships. CARIB-FATE, from data to sustainable coasts.